Welcome back to BA Media. In this method, I'll share the top 7 methods to earn $10,000 per month in 2023. Choosing the right approach and implementing effective strategies is crucial for success. Let's get started. The first method I will discuss is drop shipping. Historically, I have not been a supporter of drop shipping as I believe it is a declining model. In my opinion, around 90% of drop shippers will eventually fail. When starting a business, it is crucial to consider both offense and defense, choosing business models with a favorable risk-to-reward ratio. I have observed numerous instances where people spend significant amount of money on ads, ranging from $2,000 to $10,000, hoping to find a successful product, but it often doesn't work out. However, in 2023, there are advantages to using free traffic sources, such as TikTok Reels and YouTube Shorts to validate your products. It's important to note that product selection holds the utmost importance in drop shipping, contrary to the misconception that a fancy headline or creative is the key factor. Finding the right product is crucial, but timing is equally important. For instance, in 2014 or 2015, fidget snipper became a craze, and everyone wanted one. However, if you want to launch a fidget spinner business today, it wouldn't be as successful because the trend has passed. Therefore, it's essential to keep up with the current trends and identify winning products at the right time. It's perfectly acceptable to continuously search for a new and profitable product, as long as you're not wasting money on ineffective advertisements. In 2023, I believe dropshipping can still be a viable business model if approached strategically. Before moving on to the next method, I want to mention that I have a more detailed video where I discuss the pros and cons of the 7 to 8 most popular business models. In that video, I use a formula and equation to rank them and determine the best one. I highly recommend checking out that video through the first link in the description once you finish watching this one. Now, let's move on to the next method. Please note that the following method may not be suitable for everyone, as not everyone has the natural talent for sales. While making sales your full-time career and relying on it as a primary source of income may not be the wisest decision for everyone. Becoming a high-ticket closer can be a highly lucrative option if you possess the necessary skills or have a natural inclination towards sales. There are various industries such as solar companies, agencies, and software companies that are in constant need of salesperson. For example, at my company, Agent Flow, we have a sales representative who earns $10,000 a month by effectively selling our services to enterprise clients. If sales comes naturally to you or it doesn't intimidate you, pursuing a career as a high-ticket closer can be a profitable choice. As a high-ticket closer representing our company, you should be responsible for educating prospects about our solutions and offers, especially targeting clients with more expensive plans. In return, you would receive a commission based on the sales performance. One of the advantages of this career is the flexibility to work from anywhere. However, it's worth noting that certain countries may have disadvantage due to the time zone differences. For example, in our company, we prefer not to hire remote salesperson in Australia due to the challenging time zone. However, there are still plenty of sales roles available in Australia and New Zealand that cater to those time zones. It's interesting to note that a significant number of billionaires around the world started their journey in some form of sales. Therefore, I believe that sales is a skill that everyone should learn to some extent, even if it's not pursued as a long-term career. Another way to generate a monthly income of $10,000 is by creating a YouTube channel. However, it's important to approach it strategically, while Facebook may not be suitable for everyone. If done correctly, it can provide a good living through AdSense revenue. It's crucial to understand that vlog channels are not as effective anymore, and the CPM or cost per thousand views varies significantly across industries. By setting the right strategy, creating engaging content, using compelling titles and thumbnails, and keeping your audience interested, you can definitely earn $2,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 per month. Some individuals even make hundreds of thousands of dollars monthly on YouTube. From personal experience, I can assure you that earning a monthly income of $5,000 to $10,000 from YouTube is achievable. Well, let's move on to the next point. We all possess unique skill set and have a certain passions that captivates us. If you have a deep passion and extensive knowledge in a particular area, Online coaching can be a clear avenue to generate a monthly income of $10,000. For example, if you have dealt with and successfully overcome severe health issues, becoming a coach in gut health and autoimmune condition can be highly valuable. Similarly, if you excel at using Google Sheets or possess organizational skills, many individuals and companies are willing to pay top dollar for your expertise in organizing and streamlining their processes. However, if you have a knack for setting up home office, lighting, and smart systems, there is a demand for consultants who can provide guidance remotely. People are willing to pay for such services to save time and optimize their surroundings. Whatever your keen interest or expertise may be, if you have dedicated significant time and effort to study and learn about it, there is a potential market for your coaching services. Another method to consider is affiliate marketing. If you're not keen on spending years developing a product or building a company from scratch, affiliate marketing can be a viable option. Unlike traditional entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing allows you to earn income without taking on the risk and financial burdens associated with creating your own product. Speaking from my own experience, I started my first online business at the age of 16, and I can confidently say that starting an online cash flow business is the best choice in terms of quality of life. It offers a level of flexibility and freedom that surpasses other business ventures I pursue later on. Therefore, I highly recommend considering affiliate marketing as a way to generate income in 2023. If you prefer working behind the scenes and have a knack of writing, copywriting can be a lucrative option for you. Copywriting involves using persuasive writing to sell products or services to a wide audience. Unlike being a high-ticket sales closer, where you sell to individual clients, copywriting allows you to reach and sell to many people through written content. Numerous industries, including e-commerce, software, and education, requires copywriters to effectively communicate with their existing customers and potential leads. These companies often have a pool of customers or leads that they have acquired but not actively engaging with. By offering your services in email marketing or creating compelling sales pages, you can help these businesses maximize their investment and generate sales. Copywriting can be a highly rewarding career path for those who excel in written communication and persuasion. The final method I want to suggest is starting an online boutique marketing agency. This happened to be my personal favorite, as it was the business that made me a millionaire in just 6 years. Starting an agency in the field can provide a substantial income in 2023. As an agency owner, you'll be responsible for helping businesses market and promote their products or services. This can involve various tasks such as social media management, content creation, and advertising campaigns, and more. By providing effective marketing strategies and delivering tangible results for your clients, you can build a reputable agency that attracts high-paying clients. Over time, as your agency grows, you can expand your team and offer a wide range of services to increase your revenue. The beauty of running an online boutique marketing agency is that it offers a scalable business model with a potential for significant financial success. I understand what you're saying. When you initially started your agency, you handled all the tasks yourself. However, you realized that successful companies like Uber, Airbnb, and Expedia focus on the experience and outsource the actual works to others. This led you to apply some concept to your agency by utilizing contractor arbitrage. With contractor arbitrage, you can leverage the talent available in different countries where the cost of living is lower. You can hire skilled and dedicated professionals at a lower rate and then offer your services to a larger businesses in countries like France, England, or the US. By providing quality marketing services to these businesses, you can charge premium prices, creating an arbitrage opportunity where your profits exceed the cost. The key is to focus on acquiring clients and delivering an exceptional agency experience. By offering valuable marketing solutions to businesses with significant monthly expenses, you can charge higher fees ranging from $1,500 to $3,000 or even more, depending on the size of the company and the scope of the services provided. The model allows you to tap into the global talent pool, work remotely, and create a lean and scalable agency. You can achieve significant financial success by emulating the strategy used by larger agencies but without the hefty overhead costs. The potential for growth in this model is vast, and you can aim to reach not only $10,000 per month, but even higher figures like $20,000 or $30,000 or beyond, depending how far you want to take your agency. Just remember to focus on delivering excellent results and maintaining a high level of customer satisfaction. By doing so, you can build a reputable agency that attracts more clients and achieves long-term success. Thank you for joining me today. Choose the right online business model, like a short-form content agency or customer support agency. Take action and don't procrastinate. Success comes with dedicated and effort. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey. And if you need help, just ask and I see you on the next video.